In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Shein's online platform, select a product, and efficiently use your available wallet credit during checkout. So let's dive right in and make your next Shein shopping experience as seamless as possible. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Shein's official website. If this is your first time visiting, you might want to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage, which often features a variety of clothing collections, trending styles, and sales promotions. Take a moment to get comfortable with how the navigation works and explore the different categories available, such as women's, men's, kids, accessories, or beauty products. This can help streamline your shopping experience later on. Once you're on the Shein site, begin browsing for a product that piques your interest. This could be anything from a trendy top, elegant dress, or perhaps a set of accessories to complement your wardrobe. When you find an item you like, click on it to view the product details. Here you'll want to pay attention to the sizing information, available colors, materials used, and customer reviews. These aspects are crucial because they can significantly affect your satisfaction with the product. Once you are sure about your choice, select your size and color preferences if applicable, and hit the Add to Bag button, which will place the item in your virtual shopping cart. Now it's time to proceed to checkout, which is one of the most important steps for ensuring you maximize any available discounts or credits. Click on your shopping bag icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and review your selected items. It's always a good idea to double check that you have the correct size, color, and quantity before moving ahead. In the checkout process, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a summary of your order. Scroll down a little, and right above the Continue button, there is an option labeled View More. By clicking on this, you will reveal additional payment options and, most importantly, the wallet credit section. If you have any credits in your Shein wallet, they will appear here. Applying your wallet credit is simple. Just click on the Apply button next to your balance. This will ensure that your wallet credit is deducted from the total amount, giving you an instant discount on your purchase. This is an excellent feature for saving some extra money, especially if you frequently shop on Shein and accumulate credits. And there you have it. Your order is now complete. Enjoy the satisfaction of a well-executed shopping experience, knowing you've made the most of your available credits. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on Shein.